Okay, now which sound do you hear in each word, Vanisha? This one is a yo-yo. Can we hear the sound of the Y or V? Yo-yo.
Y.
Very good. How about the web? What sound do you hear in the word web? Is it Z or W? Web.
W.
Very good. What about in the word fox? What letter can you hear in the word fox? Is it V or X?
X.
Very good. Great job, Elmo. Give me five. High five. Yay. Now look at here. This is zebra. What sound
Z.
do you hear? Z. Very good. What about the
V.
word van? V. Good job. Okay, let me give you another star. Give me 10. Vanessa, high 10. Yes. Very good. Now let's repeat the words here. Let's read. There is a fox. Go.
There's a fox. There's a yo-yo. There's a web.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
Zebra. There's a car.
There's a zebra. There is a zebra. Okay, this one is not a car. It starts with letter V. It's a
It's a
va van. Okay?
car.
Okay, can you read? There is
I see
there
a
is a
Ben.
yes, very good. There is a van. Wow. So what did we learn here, Vanessa? What letters? V. What letters did we learn here? V.
V W X Y Z.
Very good. That's great. Give me five. Yay. High